Look at this thing, it takes corners so fast that I can't really catch it with my eye. But how does it manage to do that? Because of its great aerodynamics. And so, today we will review some of the cars, just for you to explain some of the aerodynamics basics, so you have a clue for next episodes. Otherwise, I don't think you will survive that long for next episodes. So let's get started. Now we can see how Splitter does it work by cutting air from going under the car, which is very good for downforce because, well, when you have almost no air molecules under the car, they create almost no pressure, and so you have cars sucking into the ground, which is exactly what we want for more downforce. Moving on to the rear of the car, we can see that there are two vacuum zones. One of them is behind the roof, the other one is behind the whole car. And there are vacuum zones because, well, air just can't go there without any vents or grills. And so they create turbulence because airflow tries to go there, but it just cannot. So it sucks the car in behind, and with that you lose top speed. So that's not very good. Now let's look at the aerodynamics of McLaren Speedtail. It's called Speedtail not for fun, but because its tail that goes to the ground creates less area of vacuum zone behind the car, and so we have more top speed. So we have a tail that gives more top speed. Nice job, McLaren. Always loved you. Again, we can see how Splitter works by letting air everywhere but not under the car, giving us low pressure and downforce under the car. There is also something interesting about the three-way flow on windshield and on sides of it. It pretty much shows how it divides and how it meets all together, but I don't really have an explanation for that, sorry. Moving on. Now we can see the rear of McLaren Speedtail and how air doesn't really want to go into this vacuum zone behind the car because it's just quite small, and so we have car not sucking itself really much in behind. So we have more top speed, which doesn't make McLaren Speedtail the fastest car in the world, but definitely it has really good aerodynamics. At the end of the day, all car manufacturers have to go the very difficult part of developing their aerodynamics, because if you do too much downforce, you will lose all speed, but if you do the car as smooth as possible, you will lose all control.